Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Trader Show. They have been showing Arbitrum. Arbitrum is live right now in this DX, and they are doing a quest campaign with tasks where you can get money from doing this. They just launched it, and you can see here in the official Twitter that they are live in Arbitrum, and the rewards range can be from 200 to 2.5k USD, with the grand prize being at least 2.5k. And all participants who complete all quest boards will receive a limited edition NFT collections. So like always, we are going to see step by step on how to participate on this. I have been in the AMM today from this project, and I think this is really interesting. It's going to be 3 phases and everything is explained in this video. So if you want to participate this, Trader Joe is the biggest Avalanche DX and now is showing in Arbitrum. And of course, the transactions in Arbitrum will help you for the Arbitrum Airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, like you know, I have been doing a lot of videos about airdrops. Right now we are going to see this Trader Show Quests Promotion live on Arbitrum, where you can get some money doing this. This is interesting because it's straight to the point. There are 3 phases. The first phase started yesterday. If you were in my Discord, a couple of us joined the AMM and you were able to win $200. 40 people from 600 people that was in that AMM got $200 each. So you participating in that and being in my Discord, you are up to date immediately of everything that we are doing there and myself. So a couple of us were in that AMM and we already started with this Trader Show quest. So in today's video I'm going to cover that. And remember, if you want to participate and be on my Discord, you go to my website cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions and you can get there my subscription of Discord, and you have there also my subscription to my web app. This web app, you can see here the video on how it works. It's an application that I created over the last 6 months and will help you to apply to all the different airdrops and get everything organized. Even if you use multiple wallets, it's your tool to do airdrops and be an airdrop hunter. So join us in Discord. The monthly subscription is less than a fee transaction on Ethereum mainnet, so it's really cheap. Just $5 and you are going to have access to a lot and privileged information with us. So going to the step-by-step of Trader Show, if you're not familiar with this project, it was launched as an AMM with 0 slippage trades for Avalanche ecosystem first. I don't have any doubt that it's the best DX for Avalanche. I actually use it regularly when I use Avalanche. And right now they live in Arbitrum, so this is a big event. And you can see that BNB is going to be soon. So they are going to be a multi-chain DX on the future. So the step 1 that you need to do is you need to follow them on Twitter. The second step, if you need to follow the Discord. This time, guys, you really are going to need both things. You are going to need to tweet and retweet stuff, and you are going to need to go to the Discord because many of the things on this quest happen on the Discord itself. The next step that you need to do is you go to this link on Discord and you need to get your Arbitrum Role to participate on these quests. So go to this link and you can see this is the Arbitrum Adventure category, and there you have one first, then you're going to have others. But first you have this channel, Arbitrum Adventure, and here you need to go all the way up and click this button that says Acquire Role. So clicking that button, you are going to have the role for this Arbitrum Adventure, and you need the role in order to get some NFTs and participate on the crew 3 stuff. So get that role first of all. This is step 3. Once you have that, you need to go and claim this NFT. This is an NFT that is in Galax. So click the link here. And to get this NFT, you need to be rank 1. So you need to be a show Discord Arbitrum Adventure. And this gives you the role that you just did in step 3. And you need to be a follower on Twitter. So verify these 2, join in these 2, and then switch to Arbitrum and get this NFT. All the transactions that you are going to do in Arbitrum, It's going to serve you also for the Arbitrum Airdrop, guys. Remember, having transactions, NFTs on Arbitrum, all that is going to serve you. You can see that there are already 6,000 participants on this NFT. So don't miss this, guys. There could be a lot of rewards in these quests. So after you get your role and once you get that NFT, you need to join to Crew 3 and complete the quest. You have the link here. So go to Crew 3. And here you have a lot of things to do. Of course, you have all the show community quests, where are follow Twitter accounts, tweet stuff, and all that. And one of the important ones is this one, Arbitrum Adventure. You need to also tweet and retweet things here. And you can see that phase 1 already started. Phase 1 is with Buffer Finance. So here you are going to do all the different things that are related to Buffer Finance. You need to be rank 1, so after you get the step 3 and get the role and all that, you are going to be able to unlock this Buffer 1 Joe's task. And moving down, still you have more Arbitrum Adventure with Radiant, so again you need to start doing that. You have the Arbitrum Adventure with Gains. All this is called phase 1. So these are all projects on Arbitrum that participate on this. And yesterday in the AMM that some of the Discord members and I were there, there was people of these projects talking about the different integrations and stuff on the ecosystem. So also you have here the Twitter hero for show pegs. This is part of the show ecosystem. But these are the projects participating in phase 1. So if you do this quickly, you are going to be able to get some more channels on the Discord for the rewards of this phase. The rewards are going to be distributed in each phase, so don't miss any time, start doing that. And there are 3 phases. After you do that, the step 6 is complete the Guild of Show. So you go to this link and that will open the Trader Show Guild. So now in the guild, there are new stuff related to this Arbitrum Live. But the first thing is you need to connect your wallet here. That will give you the first step. And then you need to click these links to get some NFTs. So you need to own this in order to available this role. And after you complete all that, guys, you need to go here and roles. And this is the same like Arbitrum or another project. You are going to click here on a button that will connect you with the Discord, and you are going to receive the roles there on the Discord. This, you need to put this on your name on Twitter. And here you need to mint 1 NFT of the Lunar New Year on BNB. And when you are rank 1, you can do this kind of stuff. This will involve you to buy $5 worth of this token. So this stuff you are going to need put some money on that. The same here for GNS, the same here for Radiant and Jones. So these are the new stuff that are related to the phase 1 of this promotion. And for now, guys, that is all that you need to do for phase 1. All the information is in the Arbitrum Adventure link. So go to this link on the step 7. This is the link for the Discord where I was showing you before, Arbitrum Adventure, and you start reading everything. Of course, this is a new channel, so you have everything there. Also complete this, which is what I already mentioned, the NFT for Galax. You need to go to Crew 3, you need to get the Adventure Role, all the steps that I already mentioned. Today we have the AMM, you're going to see information on that. And the last message is that today, this is yesterday, guys, phase 1 reward will be 4,800 split between Jones, Buffer, Radiant and GNC tokens rewards. And you can see that they say the quicker you complete the early, your chance at seeing the rewards channels when they go live. You must have access to the price channel to enter into the price draws. Price draws will be 24-hour timer when they are launched. I would recommend you to start doing the task as soon as you can. They are not super complex. It's not going to take you a lot of time. Yes, you need to dedicate a little bit, but there are nothing is too complex like the quest of Optimism. So these are more straightforward to the point, so you really can do it. So guys, that is all for this Trader Show token rewards. They are going to give you this free money if you complete all these quests. You need to expend a little bit of money on those transactions and some of the quests, but basically it's really cheap. And follow everything here on step 7. It's going to be all the news are going to be there, guys. And you can see here the phases. The phase 1 started on January 27. The phase 2 is February 3rd, and phase 3 is February 10th. So these are the 3 phases. The first one started yesterday, so get on that. We may see each other in my Discord if you go and subscribe there. Really cheap, guys, the subscription for Discord. You can try it very cheap, both the monthly subscription for Discord or the monthly subscription with Discord and my app. My app has all the airdrops that I have been doing that you can see here in the airdrop organizer. All my airdrops are in my application in a very easy way to use it and apply to them. And you also can add your custom airdrops there. So my application is not centered on my YouTube channel and myself, so you can use it for your own airdrops too. Guys, that is all for this video. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and follow me at CryptoCState in Twitter, because if you were following me there, you will know from yesterday that I was behind this trader show Arbitrum stuff, and you will be starting that with me also in my Discord channel. So remember to follow that Twitter account, it's really important. I post many things there. Also post airdrops that are not in my YouTube videos, that maybe they are more quickly to do. Maybe just it's a glimpse page that you need to use your social media and you are participating. So follow me at Twitter, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.